If you're looking to borrow a little bit of money, you might have come across KwikCashOnline.com. They are an online-only lender that offers loans in the following states. They are a state-regulated product though, so how much they will lend you and at what rate will depend on the state in which you live. But in general, you can expect their interest rates to be high. I believe that they generally cater to people who have poor or damaged credit and struggle to get approved by traditional lenders. These are the loan amounts that they offer by state, and here are their stated APRs. For many of the states, they don't clearly state upfront what you might expect, but this is what I believe they charge based on the kinds of loans that they offer. You can see that California is the true outlier. California prohibits APRs above 36% for loans between $2,500 and $10,000. They do not have an interest rate cap for loans above $10,000. So in theory, they could charge any interest rate. Still, even a 36% interest rate for a loan of this size is likely to become hard to pay off. The point is, you will want to review your loan offer carefully to make sure you understand what rate you will be paying before you accept the loan terms. The application process should only take a few minutes, and you should hear whether you are approved within the hour. In rare cases, it could take up to 24 hours. You should know that they will probably reach out to you by phone to complete the application. And as part of the application, they will require bank verification. They use this as a way of verifying both your identity and your bank account. This will require you to allow them to log into and view your bank account data. Most online lenders conduct the whole process automatically, so getting a phone call could slow things down a bit. That human touch service will also affect you when you're trying to pay off the loan early. You are required to call in if you want to make an extra payment. That creates a little more friction to paying off your loan early. They do tout that they have a 7-day guarantee. This allows you to change your mind within 7 days of signing the loan agreement. However, they do not share any details on what that means or what you have to do to invoke it. Since they don't have an origination fee, the only cost in the first 7 days would be the accrued interest. So perhaps they won't charge you interest if you refuse the offer within that 7-day period. If you have personal experience with KwikCash Online, we'd love to hear how it went. What state are you in? How much was their interest rate? Did they charge you any late fees? Was it hard to make extra payments? Your experience could help someone make a decision on whether KwikCash would be a good lender for them. Of course, if you are shopping around for a loan, it is important that you don't just apply with a single company, especially if you have damaged or less than perfect credit. This is because every lender has their own algorithm for who to approve, how much to offer, and at what rate. You might be denied by one lender only to be approved by another. At the Yukon project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you go to our lending marketplace page, you can apply to any one of the featured lenders. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can be sure you're getting the best deal you can in your situation. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It helps us out and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.